What are the unique challenges of autoscaling for AI workloads compared to traditional web applications?
Yeah, this is a really interesting challenge. And it's also the reason why we're seeing so many flock to Kubernetes, whether it's for training models or running inference workloads. And I want to focus more on the latter here of inferencing, because I think there's a few different aspects that are critical here that make customers realize, well, we need to think about how we scale in response to load. So for one, I'll say, it's not just spinning up another x86 instance to scale your workload into. With AI, there's a lot of different type of workloads that some require GPUs. Of course, on AWS, we have our optimized compute, like our accelerated compute for things like training and inferencing, called Trainium and Inferentia. It's pretty easy to remember. But essentially, you want an orchestrator, a platform like Kubernetes, to be able to not only scale in response to load, and of course, any cloud provider like AWS is going to be able to provide you that scale, but you also want to select the right type of instances to run those workloads. You don't want your CI/CD workloads running on NVIDIA GPUs. That's not the right cost, price, performance that you want. And you definitely want your inferencing and training workloads to leverage GPU compute, because time is critical, and those instances are catered for those type of workloads. So these are the type of challenges that come up, and the solution really is leveraging something like Karpenter, a cluster autoscaler, which is going to make that node instance selection more straightforward. It's going to let you decide which workloads run on which